Hello everybody, this is Lim, and today I will share with you on my report card for the month of February. Let's go straight to it. So I will be just touching on the crypto side of my investments. So initial part here, as you can see, these are the DAOs that I have participated, I've invested in. Okay, so they are of high risk nature, of Ponzi nature, high reward. Yes, I'm in them. As you can see, I invested way back in 2021. This is the initial capital that I've put in. But today I'm just going to zoom into the February portion. So at the start of February, this is the initial amount, okay, of the difference project. So as we can see, let's move down line by line for Tempo, and it ended the February, okay, with a negative $76 plus. Wonderland, if you know about DAOs, this is a very big one that everybody claims that the scam, it has been rug pull. Yes, I've lost a lot of money in it. For the month of Feb, yes, it's a negative of 300 plus. Okay, so Spartacus and Hector both on Phantom Network. Surprisingly, most of the DAOs are down, but for Spartacus, it has earned me a small amount of $26 plus. For Hector, the biggest loss from the DAOs, about 300, negative 300 plus. Okay, and for Sol Invictus, there's a small loss of about less than $10. And Magnet DAO, okay, Magnet DAO is a DAO that I went in pre-sale. So as most DAO normally shoot up during the first few days of the pre-sale, or maybe into the first week of after pre-sale. Surprisingly, this did not take off. I'm down quite a lot, but for the month of Feb, yes, it did bring me a small income of $25. So all in all, as you can see, for the month of Feb, for the DAOs portion, I am actually down close to $700. Okay, next let's move on to the portion now that I am actively in, the notes portion. Okay, so for the notes, of course, the father of notes, we call it strong block. Okay, so for the month of Feb, it has brought in this close to 4K for me. Of course, the price is still dropping now. Yes, so I'm getting less amount, but I still have faith in strong until it totally gets rugged. So for Loverture, I did a video on this, and for the month of Feb, I actually compounded all my rewards. Okay, and this is the actual compounded amount based on these rewards, okay, based on the token price. So actually, as you can see, it's actually 500 plus. It's close to the initial capital that I have. Okay, next is Drip. This pays out 1% daily. Okay, I have also did a compound for Drip. Okay, I have not withdrawn anything from Drip yet. Okay, so then the compound amount is 687. For the month of Feb, is close to half of what I've initially deposited. Next, my favorite project, Comb. As you can look at Comb, for the month of Feb, it brought in another 1,002 for me. I compounded, okay, some of them, which amounts to about 2,002. So if I had not compounded this, okay, I could have withdrawn 3,004. Okay, and for Red Light, I also did a video on this. This is one of the new kid on the block. It pays out 5%. ROI daily, high risk, high reward. For the month of Feb, the price of token did went down from my purchase price. So I am getting about half of my initial capital. For Universe, another project that is the least amount of capital that I invested in, I also did full compound for this, and it amounts to about 274 is actually more than my initial capital. I didn't take it out. I decided to compound since the amount is more. Okay, and the last one, you note, which are the lowest risk among all this, and it has brought in about $400. Actually, it's more. It's for 445, but 450. Sorry. But I choose to withdraw 405, and I compounded 10% of it. Okay, so all in all, okay, is the income that I get from these notes is close to 5,007. I have actually compounded close to 3,008. So if I have not compounded, I could have easily took out 8,000, 9,000 plus. Okay. Then lastly, I do have investments in Cryptobots as well. Okay, so one of it is Midas. Midas just started in September last year. Last year, I was one of the pioneer that got onto this bot. Okay, I have actually earned quite a fair bit from it. Okay, my current investment in it is about 75. As you can see, it did not bring me any income for the month of Feb. It's $0. Reason being, the crypto are mostly down. Okay, this bot does not invest in future. It is buying pure spot tokens. So yes, I still hold on to the crypto tokens themselves. So yes, there is a paper loss, but the actual is $0. I record it as $0. Okay, and Pinex bought with the low initial capital of 2,000. There's a small loss of about 53. So from the bot side, I have a negative balance of 53 plus. And all in all, okay, in total across DAOs, nodes, and bot, I am up actually close to 5k. And if you convert that to Singapore dollars, is about 6.6k. Okay, and if you take a look at what is written here, okay, the average salary is 5,700. The median income for Singaporeans is 4,563, as compared to my 6,635. So my passive income is generating 2k more than the average median income. Okay, I do not know about other countries, but I think even at 4.9 USD per month, passively is really a good and shook thing. Okay, shook, what we call in Singapore. Shook means good feeling. Okay, having a good feeling about it. Okay, so that pretty much sums up my video today. I will be doing a monthly update. Please remember, these are not financial advice. I will be covering more of other investment opportunities, other crypto projects. Okay, so if you have liked the content that I've produced, please like and subscribe to my channel. Till then, see you again.